Hi, this is Tim O'Sullivan, and this is my final project for the AWS Elastic Transcoder for the cloud computing class at the Harvard University Extension School. What problem am I trying to solve? I recently had some video on an external hard drive, but when I brought it into the 53 Church Street lab here on campus, it was unable to be played properly. The video was scrambled. The audio worked, but the video was a mess. What are the solutions? Well, at the computer lab, they had Final Cut Pro, which made the video better. But Final Cut costs about $300 to have it on your own personal computer. Is there another solution? Yes, AWS Elastic Transcoder. What is Amazon Elastic Transcoder? Amazon Elastic Transcoder is media transcoding in the cloud. Amazon Elastic Transcoder is a highly scalable, easy-to-use, and cost-effective way for developers and business to convert or transcode video files from their source format into versions that will play back on devices like smartphones, tablets, and PCs. Service highlights. It's easy to use. You can use AWS Management Console. It's elastically scalable, large volumes. Cost-effective. You pay as you transcode. Managed, secure, seamless delivery, and AWS integration, providing end-to-end solutions. Transcoding pricing. Pay for only what you use. There is no minimum fee. Pricing depends on duration and resolution of the content you output. Format standard definition costs about a little over a penny per minute. High definition 3 cents per minute. Audio less than a penny per minute. An example would be a 10-minute video in the East to HD, which would be about 30 cents. The cost, there's S3 storage, which is about 3 cents per gigabyte for the first terabyte a month. SNS notifications, first 1 million are free, and 50 cents thereafter. The limitations. You have 4 pipelines per AWS account, 100,000 queued jobs. Here's a slide I found. Basically, you have Amazon S3 input buckets with the video. They go through the transcoding pipe to the S3 output bucket. Let's see it in action. Here is Eclipse, and here's my Java program. I'll do run as Java application. And it'll be what type of audio or video. It'll be video. And what is the input bucket name? I have a cheat sheet with the answers. What is the name of the S3 output bucket? What is the directory of the path of the file to be uploaded? What is the name of the SNS topic that was already created? What is your account ID? What is the name of the video file to be uploaded? What region are you in? We're in the East. What is the name you want to add at the beginning of the output file? What is your pipeline ID? And we'll let that run. Now we'll go to AWS console, create new topic. We'll call it Z Final 12, 13, 14. Create queue. And then we go to SNS, and we want to create new topic. And will be Z Final 12, 13, 14. Z Final 12, 13, 14. Create topic. So you want to create subscription, and you want to do it by email. I'm going to use my FAS email account. Subscribe. A subscription request received. Go back to the Eclipse program. The status is progressing. Here it is. There's the questions I answered. The S3 client being at the buckets. It's uploading. Here's progressing. It goes by bytes. Transfer completed successfully. Creating the pipeline. Status is progressing. Check my email. So the scheduled job is progressing. And here's my email to confirm subscription. Confirm subscription. And the status is completed. The program has ended successfully. So I'll go back to SQS, and you want to queue actions, subscribe to SNS topic. So it'll be Z final, subscribe. Now we want to go to S3, and we want to create the input buckets. So we'll create bucket Z final 12, 13, 14. Select region, US standard, create. Create bucket Z final 12, 13, 14, output. Select region, US standard, create. So in the input bucket, we want to upload, add file, and this Elastic Transcoder movie, start upload. Now we want to go to Elastic Transcoder and create new pipeline. We'll call it Z final 12, 13, 14. And the input bucket would be Z final, and it would be a default role. The output bucket would be the output bucket we created. Storage class standard. For thumbnails, it would be the output bucket and standard. And you do create pipeline. Let's go back to successfully subscribe to SNS topic. The upload is complete, and there's our file. So now we want to create new job. That's our pipeline ID. So create new job. Z final. The input key Elastic Transcoder, and the output key prefix would be video slash. Preset would be 1080p. The output key, the name we want to give it, so we'll call it output file .mp4. And then we create new job. And then we want to check the status of the job. It's progressing. And you have patience. Let's check the email. It's complete. So now we go to S3 and we check the Z final output bucket. And inside the video is our video file. You go to properties, permissions, add more permissions, grantee, everyone, open, save. And now we go to the file, and here it plays. Thank you so much. This is Tim O'Sullivan. Have a good one.